Hello, my name is Ebede Onyinye Edelqueen. I'm presenting a topic, case study of developing and using multimedia-based supplementary teaching materials. There are three keywords here: teaching materials, supplementary teaching materials, and multimedia-based supplementary materials. Teaching materials are the tools used to transfer instructional messages. It is the name given to all materials, methods, and techniques used to facilitate the teaching and learning process. And there are different types of teaching materials. We have audio teaching materials. That is those ones that appeal to the sense of hearing. Examples are the radio, telephone, tape recorder, or audiobook. We also have visual teaching materials, and these appeal to the sense of the sight. Example, real objects, black or white board. We have audiovisual, that is the combination of the audio and the visual teaching materials, and these appeal to both the sense of sight and that of hearing. Examples are films, movies, television, projector. Then, in order to carry the children along, teachers sometimes use supplementary teaching materials in order to get the objectives for the lesson. And these supplementary teaching materials are those materials that are used in place of the course book, and that teachers use them because some of those course books don't have enough examples, and that some of them are too simple or too complicated for the learners. So teachers resort to supplementary teaching materials. And I have some of the supplementary teaching materials here. These are the real objects. I have the flute, I have the perforator, I also have the flowers, and I also have a basket. These are the supplementary teaching materials, the real objects. And I also have some shapes of different colors, and I also have a chart. These are the supplementary teaching materials. Then the multimedia. Multimedia is the combination of these different types of teaching materials. It's the combination of text, combination of the audio, combination of images, pictures. When you combine them together, you get your multimedia. Then I'm going to use my supplementary materials to teach a lesson. And when I teach it, for me to get my multimedia, I'm going to record what I've taught. Then when I want to teach in the class, I'm going to use the video that I've made from using my supplementary materials to teach. Then I'm going to use the video to teach the children. When I play the video, the children will watch the video. Then I will ask them questions. And I'm going to use primary 1. I'm going to select my topic from basic science. Then my class is primary 1. I'm going to teach them secondary colors using my supplementary materials. After teaching them, as I'm teaching, I will record. Then after teaching them, I'll keep the video then for the time that I'll teach them in the class. My topic is secondary colors. We have different colors. Everything, all the objects we have the color they contain. We have different colors. Like we have green, blue, we have yellow, we have purple, we have pink, we have orange, and there are many more colors. And these colors are divided into primary colors, secondary colors, tertiary colors, and tertiary colors. But we are going to talk about the secondary colors. And the secondary colors are the colors that are gotten by mixing the primary colors. You get your secondary color by mixing any of the primary colors. You mix two primary colors in order to get a particular secondary color. Secondary colors are the colors you get by mixing. Secondary colors are the colors you get by mixing two of the primary colors, and the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. These are the primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. How then do we get the secondary colors? We are going to use this chart to get the secondary colors. So for us to get the secondary colors, we mix two primary colors together to get each of the secondary colors. We mix yellow and orange to get the secondary color. Yellow plus yellow plus red, we get orange. When you mix yellow and red, you get yellow, and yellow is you get orange, and orange is a secondary color. Then you mix blue and yellow. When you mix blue and yellow, you get green. Then when you mix red and blue, you get purple. So let's assume that I've recorded this, my teaching, and I've used the video to teach the children. After the children must have watched the video, I will give them the worksheets, which is one of my supplementary teaching materials. I'll give them this worksheet to paint the secondary colors on them. That is their class task, in order to know whether they've really gotten what I have taught them. And the objective for the teaching is for them to be able to define the secondary colors, identify them, and be able to mix the primary colors to get the secondary colors. Thank you.